Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I am a very happy Georgia Bulldog fan. We just beat Oklahoma. Man, what a game. If the tickets in Atlanta wouldn't probably $2,000, I might go. But they're probably gonna be a little bit out of my range, so it is what it is. But back to the layout. So what you see here in front of you is the low relief structure. What's the name of it? Brothers Budge Trucking Company. This is a low relief structure. I have showed this in the previous episodes. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this will be my PULP receiving dock doors for box cars coming in. 1 second. All right, sorry, I'm back. This is the part right here, the PULP, the KRAFT PULP receiving. It's 3 dock doors here, but I'm only gonna use 2. Okay, so this is what the kit looks like. I painted the doors white, and I left the coverage doors, the stuff around the dock doors. I left that in the base color gray. I could have painted it black, but I thought the gray color looks a little bit better. Also, the roofing. This is the roofing strips that they give you. I didn't want to use that on here because the ground level of the structure is supposed to be brick or concrete or whatever. So it wouldn't look right to have, you know, your ground base coat the same color as your roof. So what I did was I took the rooftops from the paper mill, which is overly massively big, and I just put this here and etched it out, and that is the finished product. Also, you have to paint this bottom portion here because it comes as a solid blue piece. So I had to paint that. And what I painted it was with this here. I think you can get the Apple Barrel brand paint from Walmart. I use khaki to kind of get that color. As you can see, those are the 2 colors, but it's not right. But I'm going to cover this up with shrubs, so you really won't be able to tell the difference. And this is the structure all the way from side to side. So these are, once again, those are my receiving doors. Now, I painted the dock doors with Anita's acrylic. This is white. I know a lot of people use testers, but this stuff is harmful. When I say harmful, it is harmful. Testers is in Rockford, Illinois. It is 30 miles south of me. If you inhale this stuff, you just feel bad. I don't like using it, and I probably won't use it. I use it for a few seconds, and it was just bad. So another alternative would be Gorilla Glue. Yeah, it will take the paint off, but you don't have to worry about the nasty fumes from it and all that other good stuff, because my son, he likes to help out with building the building, so I don't use this when he helps out. So those are all the kits. Now, moving right along. Okay, so the next part that I will be putting together will be the chemical house. Okay, now how I'm going to do the chemical house is with Lost in Shipping Company. So this is another low relief structure. As you can see, these windows here are the same windows here in the picture. So what I'm going to do is, you have a roll-up door for, I don't know, goods coming in, coming out. Now, this door here, it's probably used for, you know, small trucks or whatnot. But I'm going to try to get this as another, probably another boxcar door. Or I might just get a roof put over it like a shed, and you can just back your chemical cars into it so it's out of the element unloading. Loading, unloading, whichever you prefer. And once again, it's this part right here, because these right here, this is supposed to be your slurry tanks for your recovery process and all that good stuff. So other than that, everything is coming along okay, but that is what I have on the latest build. Now, once again, that building will sit right here. The one in the Model Railroad and Magazine is 9 feet long. I don't want it that long because, like I said, this tabletop from end to end is 18 feet, and I don't want to dedicate pretty much a whole tabletop to that particular industry. Even though I could, I don't want to, because I have to have room for the yard. And if I'm going to have room for the yard, I have to, leave some space to have it. I don't want to have a huge yard, maybe maybe a couple of tracks. I haven't decided yet, because I will have off stage staging. I mean, off the layout staging. So that's a little bit of what has transpired since the last time I uploaded a video. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, and Happy New Year.